This is the story of the vulture that helped save the vultures in Israel. The vultures are under severe threat of extinction. In the past, thousands of vultures filled Israel's skies. Today, less than 200 remain, and if nothing is done, soon they will disappear from our landscape. Despite Israel's Nature and Parks Authority's best efforts to raise awareness and funds, the public and the government remain indifferent to the issue. While these vultures were gradually disappearing, another vulture was seen all over. Nesher Malt, the leading and most popular root beer brand for almost 90 years, holds more than 90% of the market share. By the way, Nesher is the Hebrew word for vulture. Therefore, we decided to recruit the most famous vulture in Israel to help us raise awareness about the vulture extinction issue. How? We simply made it disappear from its own landscape. We created a new label, taking the vulture off of it. The popular beer, found in almost every home in Israel, was now missing its vulture. Now, no one could remain indifferent. The vultureless bottles went so viral that any official launch would pale in comparison. Countless posts and shares flooded the web. The buzz and the engagement were unimaginable. We made it to the leading news editions.
אולי שמתם לב לאחרונה שהנשר בבירה נשר חסר.
הם בעצם העלימו את הנשרים מהלוגו של הבירה בשביל להעלות מודעות להרעלת הנשרים, לנשרים ההולכים ונעלמים.
קמפיין מאוד חשוב של רשות הטבע והגנים, והלוואי וזה יצליח והמספר יעלה.
The vultureless bottles made everyone talk about the vultures. But most importantly, we got a special budget from the Ministry of Environment to help save the vultures. Hopefully soon, the vultures will thrive again and fill Israel's sky.